Today I will be showing you how to make pure dark chocolate truffles. This is a pure chocolate which contains cocoa butter that is good for health. So here I have taken 175 grams of dark pure chocolate, and we are going to chop this into as small pieces as possible and keep aside. Next I will be taking 175 grams of de-seeded dates. Now these are the soft dates. You get different varieties of dates. So first you have to de-seed the dates and then measure it 175 grams and chop them also into smaller pieces and keep aside. We'll take a pan and roast 2 tablespoons of crushed cashew nuts. Just we have to roast for a minute. 1 tablespoon of crushed almond. Same way we have to roast only for a minute. Next we are going to roast 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut and keep aside. All the ingredients that we are going to use in the chocolate, you have to prepare them before, because once the tempering is done, you have to quickly add all the ingredients and make truffles. Now we'll temper the chocolate. So for that we'll take water in a bowl and bring the water to a boil. The vessel on top should not immerse in the water. So once the water starts boiling, we will temper the chopped chocolate. Once the chocolate starts melting, we will start stirring it. And then we are going to check the temperature. Now for pure chocolate, tempering is compulsory, and while tempering there is a process. First you have to heat the chocolate till 45 degrees. So for that you can use a pen thermometer. Now the temperature has reached 45 degrees. So we switch off the flame and remove the vessel from the double boiler and start stirring. You have to keep on stirring. Stirring also helps to give a shine to your chocolate. And you have to check on the temperature in between while stirring. Now we have to bring down the temperature to 31 degrees. And for dark chocolate, 31 degrees is the working temperature. That is, you have to start adding all the other ingredients once the temperature reaches to 31 degrees. Add the chopped dates and mix it thoroughly. Two tablespoons cashew nut powder, 1 tablespoon crushed almonds. Now we'll add the desiccated coconut also. Two to 3 pinches of turmeric, 2 to 3 pinches of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder also it's homemade. 1 teaspoon pure almond oil. This is cold pressed almond oil, and half teaspoon of pure tulsi earth. Now we'll mix it all thoroughly. Very properly you have to mix all the ingredients so that it mixes well in the chocolate. And then we will keep this mixture in the fridge for 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes we will bind the pure chocolate into truffles. After making the truffles, you can roll them in almond flour. You can store these truffles in the fridge in a airtight container. Very good recipe for dark pure chocolate. It's a immunity booster. Ingredients are used. Do try the recipe and let me know in the comment section how did you like it, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. Thank you.